First up, the BILT Hard Peat Moss Spreader 24-inch is a must-have for lawn care enthusiasts. With a wide rolling drum and adjustable perforations, it evenly distributes peat moss, compost, and fertilizers like a pro. The sturdy metal build ensures durability, and the ergonomic handle makes spreading effortless. Say goodbye to patchy lawns and hello to uniform greenery. Whether you're a gardener or a landscaper, this tool simplifies lawn maintenance. It's easy to assemble and maneuver, making your weekend lawn projects a breeze. Get precise and consistent spreading every time with this incredible tool. The BullseyeBore Core takes precision drilling to the next level. This revolutionary tool features a laser-guided system that ensures pinpoint accuracy. No more guessing or off-center drill holes. It works with standard drills and is perfect for metal, wood, and plastic. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this tool guarantees perfect alignment. Its compact design makes it easy to use in tight spaces. Eliminate costly mistakes and save time on every drilling project. Get laser-guided precision with this game-changing attachment. Every hole, every time, perfectly centered. Radiant heating installations are now effortless with the Winkler fixation clips. Claw KRS 1420. These durable clips securely hold heating pipes in place, ensuring a stable and efficient setup. Their sturdy grip prevents movement, making installation faster and more reliable. Designed for various pipe diameters, they fit snugly and offer long-lasting performance. Whether you're installing floor heating in homes or large commercial spaces, these clips keep everything in perfect alignment. No more slipping or misalignment during installation. Increase your efficiency with this essential tool. A hassle-free way to get perfect heating installations every time. The HAKKO WICK cutter FT630 makes desoldering clean and precise. Designed for quick and efficient wick cutting, it enhances your electronics repair workflow. The sharp blade provides consistent and accurate cuts without fraying. Its compact design ensures easy handling, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists. No more struggling with dull or uneven cuts. The automatic feed system streamlines the process, saving you time. Whether you're repairing circuit boards or working on delicate electronics, this cutter is a must-have. Get professional-level precision with this game-changing tool. The wired remote control set for light seaming machine, SRLT2, gives you complete control over seaming operations. With a responsive wired connection, you get real-time precision without lag. Perfect for metal sheet assembly, this tool enhances efficiency in industrial applications. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for long hours of use. The durable build makes it reliable for heavy-duty tasks. No more manual adjustments, get seamless results with this must-have accessory. Upgrade your workflow with precision control. This tool takes seaming operations to the next level. The Pneumatic Hammer Neapton delivers power and precision for metalworking tasks. Designed to close Pittsburgh seams with ease, it works on sheet metal up to 1.5 millimeters thick. With its lightweight and ergonomic grip, it reduces user fatigue while maximizing efficiency. The high-impact hammering ensures strong and uniform seams every time. Whether you're in HVAC, roofing, or metal fabrication, this tool boosts productivity. Say goodbye to manual hammering and inconsistent results. Work smarter with this powerful pneumatic hammer. Get perfect seams with minimal effort. The Built Universal Thread Repair Tool makes fixing damaged threads effortless. Whether it's bolts, nuts, or spark plugs, this tool restores threads to their original form. The adjustable design works with multiple thread sizes, making it versatile. Built with high-quality steel, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Perfect for automotive repairs, construction, and maintenance work. No need to replace expensive parts. Just repair and reuse. Reduce downtime with this quick and efficient thread repair tool. Keep your projects moving with this must-have tool. If you're looking for a high-performance solution to manage fallen leaves without the mess, the Sheppech BC BLV 720X Cordless Leaf Vacuum Cleaner is the answer. This lightweight vacuum combines power and portability, making cleanup quick and efficient. Its 3-in-1 function allows you to vacuum, blow, and mulch leaves, saving time and effort. The adjustable handle and 72-liter bag ensure that you work comfortably without constantly stopping to empty. Thanks to its cordless design, it's ideal for tackling both small and large gardens with ease. Plus, the variable speed setting lets you customize the airflow to suit different tasks. Whether it's clearing your lawn or prepping for winter, this tool is an absolute game-changer. The Mayfell Edge Milling Machine KF1000 is built for precision and durability, perfect for smooth, accurate edge work. Whether you're trimming edges or making fine adjustments, this tool provides flawless results with its high-speed motor. It features an adjustable depth setting for varying material thickness, making it versatile across many projects. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long working hours, while the durable housing guarantees longevity. This machine is ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy. Its compact design doesn't compromise on power, delivering consistent performance across various materials. With a solid reputation for quality, the Mayfell KF1000 is a must-have in any workshop. Don't settle for less when precision is key. The Mayfell Groove Cutting Machine NFU50 is a unique tool designed for precise groove cutting with minimal effort. Its robust yet lightweight build ensures it delivers powerful cuts, even through tougher materials. The ergonomic design makes it easy to control, offering smooth, consistent results. With a 50mm cutting depth, this machine is perfect for creating channels and slots, whether you're working on cabinetry or woodworking projects. The adjustable speed settings allow you to tailor the tool to your project's needs, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. Whether you're creating decorative grooves or functional cuts, this tool excels in delivering top-quality results. Don't miss out on this essential tool for fine carpentry. It's the go-to solution for your groove cutting needs. When you're cutting holes, dust management is a challenge, but the Klein Tools collapsible hole saw dust bowl solves that problem. Designed for hole saws up to 6 inches, this bowl traps debris and keeps your workspace clean. Its collapsible feature makes it easy to store, saving valuable space in your toolbox. The adjustable clamp attaches securely to the surface, preventing dust from escaping. This dust bowl is perfect for both professional contractors and home DIYers. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, and the large capacity means fewer stops to empty the debris. It's a simple yet efficient solution for cleaner, safer cutting. Keep your workspace neat and your cuts precise. The Woodpecker's Flush Trim Base is an essential tool for anyone who wants perfect flush trimming every time. Designed with precision in mind, this tool helps you get perfectly even results when trimming laminate, veneer, or wood edges. The high-quality build ensures durability, allowing you to achieve smooth cuts without any jagged edges. Its unique design helps guide the router along the surface, making it a breeze to trim corners and edges accurately. Whether you're working on cabinets, furniture, or flooring, this flush trim base delivers precise results. Plus, it's easy to attach and use with a variety of routers. This tool is a must-have for anyone looking to level up their trimming skills. The Wolfcraft Angled Cartridge Tip is an innovative tool that makes caulking easier and more precise, especially in tight or hard-to-reach places. Its unique angled design helps you apply sealants, adhesives, or caulk with greater accuracy and control. Whether you're working around corners or molding, this tip ensures a neat, consistent bead every time. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last through multiple projects without wear or clogging. The easy-to-install cartridge fits most standard caulk guns, making it a versatile addition to your toolbox. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike, this tool helps you achieve professional-level results with ease. Keep your projects clean and your seams flawless with the Wolfcraft Angled Cartridge Tip. It's the perfect upgrade for your caulking needs. The Wacom Magnetic Spray Gun Holder takes convenience to a new level. This tool allows you to keep your spray gun within easy reach, helping you work more efficiently without constantly moving the gun. Its strong magnetic base ensures a secure hold, so you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about the gun slipping. Whether you're spraying cars, furniture, or any large surface, this holder makes your job easier and more organized. The ergonomic design means you can grab the spray gun quickly and return it just as easily. This tool is perfect for any painter or professional looking to optimize their workflow. It's small but incredibly useful, helping to keep your workspace tidy. Get this holder and save time while working on your spray painting projects. For cleaning those hard-to-reach spaces, the Ryobi USB Lithium Cordless Compact Detail Scrubber Kit is your go-to tool. It features a lightweight, cordless design that makes it easy to tackle intricate cleaning jobs. Whether you're scrubbing tiles, grills, or engine parts, this scrubber is up for the challenge. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended cleaning sessions. Powered by a USB rechargeable lithium battery, you won't need to worry about running out of juice halfway through. Plus, the kit comes with interchangeable brush heads for tackling different surfaces and messes. It's compact, powerful, and easy to store, making it perfect for home use or on the go. This scrubber is the ultimate tool for a quick, detailed clean. For those who live in snowy areas, the Snow Joe 24-volt SS13 snow shovel is a must-have tool for quick snow removal. This cordless 24-volt powered shovel clears paths effortlessly with a 13-inch clearing width. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, making it ideal for small to medium-sized areas like walkways and patios. The powerful motor moves up to 300 lbs of snow per minute, allowing you to clear your driveway or sidewalk in no time. It also features an ergonomic handle, which reduces strain during extended use. The Ion Max battery provides a longer runtime, so you can clear the snow without interruptions. This snow shovel combines convenience and performance for fast and efficient snow removal. Don't let winter slow you down. Take charge of the snow with this amazing tool. Need a tool that makes fiber jacket stripping smooth and precise? The Miller MB08 series Fiber Jacket Shaving Tool is your go-to solution. It removes fiber jackets effortlessly without damaging the delicate inner fibers. Designed for efficiency, it works with multiple cable sizes, making it perfect for telecom and fiber optic projects. The high-precision blade ensures a clean, smooth cut every time. Its ergonomic grip provides comfort, reducing hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. Whether you're a technician or a DIYer, this tool guarantees professional results. Say goodbye to messy and uneven fiber stripping. Get cleaner, faster, and safer cable prep with this essential tool. Painting just got easier with the Sureline Pour and Store Paint Can lid. This innovative lid transforms messy paint cans into spill-proof containers. With an easy pour spout, you can pour paint smoothly without drips. The airtight seal keeps paint fresh longer, so you don't waste a drop. No more struggling with dried-out cans or sticky lids. The built-in brush holder keeps your tools handy, making your painting projects more efficient. It's compatible with most standard paint cans, making it a must-have for painters. Keep your workspace clean and organized while getting professional paint results. This tool takes the hassle out of painting. Lifting heavy materials just got safer and easier with the Shuttle Lift system. Designed for solar panel installation, this powerful tool makes lifting panels to rooftops effortless. No more struggling with manual lifting or risking injury. The secure grip and stable mechanism keep your materials safe during transport. It's lightweight yet durable, making it perfect for professionals. Whether you're installing solar panels, roofing sheets, or glass, this system saves time and effort. Boost your efficiency with a reliable lifting system built for demanding tasks. Work smarter, not harder, with this revolutionary tool. For woodworking safety, the Bow Products Push Pro Push Stick is a game changer. Its soft, high-friction tip securely grips wood, giving you maximum control while cutting. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, reducing strain on your hands. Unlike traditional push sticks, this one provides superior stability and precision. The non-slip base prevents slipping, keeping your hands safe from the blade. Whether you're using a table saw, router, or jointer, this tool is a must-have. Make your woodworking projects safer and more accurate with this innovative push stick. Stay in control and cut with confidence. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.